What's going on, everyone? This is Ryan with Indy-PowerSports coming to you on this beautiful Monday afternoon. I want to talk to you about a vehicle that we just got back to the store. It's a 2024 Xpedition in Storm Blue 1000cc ADV Adventure Series. I'm going to go ahead and flip this around. So as you can see, this is a pretty big vehicle. Very capable. Come around and start at the front. So looking at the front here, you can see we have the Polaris 4500 HD winch. For suspension up front, you have the Fox 2.0 Podium QS3s. Your wheels are 30-inch tires with 15-inch wheels. Storm Blue's beautiful. Like I said, this is the 1000cc, 114 horsepower. Rear suspension, you have the Fox 2.5 Podium QS3s. Go ahead and open this up for you guys. Lots of cargo room. 600-pound capacity. It does have a fold-down bench rear seat. I just love this Storm Blue. This is probably my favorite vehicle we have here at the time. It does have LED lighting. Go ahead and take a look inside. Okay. Nice bolstered seats. Front and rear, there's that foldable bench, 40/60. Okay, another really nice feature. Like I said, this is a 2024 Xpedition ADV. We'll go ahead and start it up. I'm gonna shut this so it stays quiet in here. Okay. You do have the JBL Trail Pro 4100 stereo system. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down. Okay. Navigation. Your different ride types. So comfort, standard, sport. That's going to adjust your suspension as well as your engine management. We have air conditioning and heat. Okay. Automatic windows, front and rear. Honestly, this vehicle dang near reminds me of a real SUV. Something you would drive every single day. It's got all the creature comforts you could ask for. More amenities than a lot of vehicles come with these days. Like I said, front and rear cameras. You have your winch controls. Give you a view of the back here. JBL speakers back there. Nice carpeted roof. Big rear view mirror, give you guys a wave. And if you really want to have that outdoors feeling, all you gotta do is pop that, put your windows down, and now it feels like you're out there in the wilderness. If you are interested in this vehicle or any other vehicle we have, you can reach us at info@indy-sports.com. That's our email to reach out to us. Or you can call us at 317-769-5728. All right, we're more than happy to speak to you about this vehicle or any other vehicle. We have right now a lot of Ranger 1000s, Cruise XPs, some 1500s, 570s, you name it. We pretty much have it right now. And we have a lot of vehicles that aren't right here at this facility, but we have access to them within hours. So if there's something you see on our website, Indy-PowerSports.com, any vehicle you see we have there, we can get here in no time at all, so you can look at it. We've done that in the past. We can sold a couple of them. So all right guys, want to give you a live video of this Xpedition ADV 1000cc, probably my favorite vehicle we have here. Just super comfy, every amenity you could think of, room for 5, you and your whole family. All right, have a great Monday. Stay safe out there.